Okay, today's Wednesday, February 7th, 2024, 9:37 a.m. I'm hiding in the camera. I'm going into Adams Automotive to have my piece of junk Intoxalock device taken off after 3 years of failure. It's caused me nothing but pain and physical and financial suffering, which I'm going to sue Intoxalock for. They're going to help me buy a brand new, not a brand new car, but another car. Hopefully that they'll be taught a good lesson and stop cheating people. They've got a great idea and they've learned how to capitalize on it. I had a 12-month commitment to test negative for alcohol, and they got 36 months out of me by stealing it. Their criminal organization in the state of Michigan could care less, because all that does is bring repeat business to the Secretary of State, including a corrupt judge that I caught falsifying a major violation that they're so scared of that their resolutions department manager Anna refuses to contact me.
Probably might want to take it. Scientific will probably give you what you want.
Maybe. That's all that plug. I can call that.
Huh? 3 o'clock.
Yep. Be thankful it's today. Could be worse.
Okay.
That one took me a week to get. At least it's 30.
Right. Onward.
Hey, Richard.
Hey guys, how are you?
Ready to get that thing taken out?
We're celebrating today.
We're celebrating?
Yeah.
Drinks?
You got any booze? You got any booze? Take that thing off. Let's party. I haven't touched booze since 2001. That's what this case is all about. They go back all that way. If this thing worked, I would endorse it.
Richard had this thing at 120 when he called. I told him this is probably 120, but if I need a butt connector or whatever, I told him. He's going to be out the door for less than 150 bucks. So, just depending on what I need to put it back together. Okay. I don't know what all was. Did we put that in?
Yeah.
I put it in? Okay.
Yeah. You were right, Nate. I called Intoxalock. I started threatening lawsuits, and all of a sudden they took it off. Amazing how that works, isn't it?
Crazy, huh? I got the call from them, and they said it wasn't too
Emergency.
long after I talked to you. And they're like, we need a deinstall, and I was like, is it for Mr. Schwartz? And they go, yep. And I was like, oh, I must have got
After 3 years. You know what? That judge.
Now, are you losing your driver's license over this deal?
I did. Because,
you did?
No, you know what? That judge, I told you about that, didn't I?
Mm-hmm.
This judge, after you guys said I didn't do it, Intoxalock said I didn't do it. They didn't give me anything written, but I recorded the call from the compliance manager of Intoxalock saying, if it's not your fault, we'll pay for everything, right?
Right.
You did, I didn't pay a dime, and this judge accused me of tamper circumventing. And when I got this hearing, I said, look, I didn't do anything. Intoxalock said it was their fault, and he cut the thing off. I said, what are you going to do? And then he sent me this paperwork, and he said, see, my license I should have been able to get this back on February 22nd, 2022, because I had it installed 2021, right? So I was eligible to have this thing deinstalled. So when I get this violation, it said that he's revoking my license for another year, and then I had to give these what do you call them, the checkups, calibration. That I had to present evidence of calibration. That means, to me, I thought I had to keep this on for another year. So I drove it for another year, and this is a real long story, but I used to live in Lapeer County, and I got into a 4-year trial with them that they couldn't win, and somehow they got help from the Secretary of State, because this guy blew up my car every time I had to get to court. And that's why I got a warrant out for my arrest. I have to go and I have to file a complaint against this judge with the Judicial Tenure Commission. Then I got to file a complaint against Intoxalock and this SOS judge with the circuit court. So I got to do I got to go to 2 courts, sue 2 judges, and I'll win on both of them. But the thing is, they've been working in tandem. When I had a court trial on May 6th, 2023, and I've been acting as my own attorney on a 4-year-old case that's illegal as hell. They couldn't beat me any other way. I was acting as my own attorney. I had 266 evidence videos and 47 witnesses that I wanted to call. And a week before my trial, he said, you can't call any witnesses and you can't show any evidence. And when I was acting as my own attorney, and on my opening statement, I said, this judge wouldn't let me show any of my evidence or call any of my witnesses. And this judge flipped out and says, everybody out, everybody out. So they told me, they said, if you say one more word, you're going to jail. And they put my court-appointed legal assistant, who's only supposed to help me, and she didn't know anything about my case. So they wouldn't let me talk, no witnesses, no evidence. And guess what? I lost.
Right. So
I got to fight that, and then I got to fight this corrupt judge. Isn't that wild? I'm telling you something. You guys are young people. We need your help. Our government's collapsed. What do you need from me?
I just need you to sign here for me, Richard.
Okay.
This has nothing to do with them. This is just us.
What's that?
This is just us.
Okay.
This is our paperwork, not theirs.
You were the only ones to help me. I talked to a lady at Intoxalock, this last lady, and I told her the whole.
That was a waste of time.
No. She was the one that helped me. She said, okay, I'll get it done. I said, you're the first honest person I talked to.
Keys in it, Richard? She's a unicorn over there.
You know what? They owe me $7,000. Now I got it all.
Good luck ever seeing that.
Well, no, I'll tell you something. Secretary of State said that I could file a complaint against this judge and also Intoxalock, and for the damages. And I've got the damages. They kept this on for 3 years, and it was